Assalamualaikum friends, I am Amna from flavortin.com and I am baking today super soft and delicious olive buns in 7 different shapes, which are surely gonna impress your family and guests. For these buns, you'll be needing basic yeast dough. I have already uploaded a video of its recipe in which I have discussed your basic problems related to yeast dough, like dough is not proofing, bread is not soft, etc. etc. So do check out that video, link is in the description box as well as in the I button on the top right corner of this video. This recipe is enough for baking 12 to 15 buns. First, I'm gonna roll half of the dough just for the sake of easier handling and then roll the other half. Just as you can see, it's quite thin, like 1/8 of an inch thick. Then take a round cookie cutter of 3 inches in diameter and cut rounds. If you don't have a cookie cutter, no problem, you can use a glass or cup or any round thing. Take off the excess dough and cover that with damp cloth as we will be using that dough later. You will see that. Now cover these discs and let them rest for 10 minutes to relax gluten, because in that way they will be easier to shape up. Now take a disc and flatten it up with the help of rolling pin, just a little bit. For first buns, I'm gonna apply some pizza sauce at the base. Then I'm gonna add pimento olives, like so. You can find them in local grocery stores. If not, then you can use any other olives. But these olives were delicious. Do try them. Then pinch the circles from the center and bring them closer. Now take chopsticks and press tightly. See how pretty flour. Now press the center and add 1 black olive. Place it on the baking tray and let's move to the other shape. For this flour, do exactly like shape number 1. Then take a brush, dab edges with water, then pinch these sides, and this is turning into another shape of flower. How beautiful! Just like earlier, spread pizza sauce, but this time I'm adding za'atar mix. If you don't find it, then you can use Italian herbs as well, just to add more flavor in the buns. Add black olive and pinch the opposite sides together, just like so, and it turned into a rose. Tuck the ends under and it's ready. For this shape, first apply pizza sauce, then za'atar mix, and then flip the other disc over. Then take a rolling pin and roll slightly so that they stick together. Then cut in quarters just like you have done for rolls. But this time brush a little water around the olive. Then with the help of chopstick, press the center of one side. Here, take an olive and pinch. It's gonna be a 4-petal flower with layers of pizza sauce and za'atar mix. How gorgeous! And would be delicious too. Place them on the baking tray and let's move to the other. Start exactly like shape number 4. cut in quarters. But this time I am making another slit, like so. And then roll this strip to the center. These are small roses in the center. How cute! Then, like shape number 4, press the petals inside. Add olive and pinch. Aren't they beautiful? Tell me in the comments which shape you like the best. Pinch ends tightly so that they don't open during baking. Pretty. For this shape, we are going to use those scrapes. Take some dough and roll it into a log. So now I have 3 strings, approximately 6 inches long. Then bring 2 ends together like so. And then add olives like this. Then with the help of chopsticks, bring the center together like this. And another beautiful flower is ready. For this shape, I am rolling the log approximately 10 inches long and then make in half and flatten that half and leave the other half. Then with the help of dough scraper, cut slits like so and braid like regular 3-strand braid. Put an olive in the end and roll like this. Then the other half divide into 2. Put an olive and twist like this. And then swirl around and tuck the end under. And another beautiful shape is ready. Now cover these and let them rise for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, make egg wash with egg and a little bit of water, whisk it up and brush the tops nicely. Now bake them in preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until they are nicely golden. Once they are out, brush the tops with melted butter. This will keep the crust soft, so apply generously. Let them cool in the baking tray for 10 to 15 minutes because the texture is still developing. Then dish out and serve. Sprinkle some greens and look at that. Super soft and absolutely delicious. A perfect snack for iftars, a great idea for kids' lunches and breakfast. These soft and pillowy buns will be your next favorite. You can eat them with any sauce or dip, like cheese dip, salsa, or even ketchup. They are absolutely delightful. Now let's check out these layered ones. So flavorful. And check out the layers from inside. Yum. You can also cut and fill them with anything like cheese, turkey slice, cheese slice, kebabs. Possibilities and flavors could be endless. These are my family favorite, and I'm sure if you're gonna try, they will be yours too. Till next recipe, take good care of yourselves and remember me in your prayers. If you like the video, consider subscribing. Bye bye.